Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. It has been a while since I upload video. The reason be that I'll be busy. Here is another golden opportunity for you to win airtime, data, cash, phone online, and here I'm going to show you how to do it. This is a campaign owned by Opera Mini, and what you need to do here is to check your phone anytime and win a mobile phone or data or airtime or even recharge card. So if it is your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. Opera Mini have been hosting this campaign for some time. It began in December last year and is still working perfectly up to this moment. If you don't know how to do it, here is a step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, you have to check the description of this video and copy the link where you can download this Opera Mini. It's just an Opera Mini, but this one is different from the one we know. So kindly check the description of this video and download it. After downloading the app, it will be displayed like this. You have to click on this. See what I'm talking about here? You have to click on this heart shaking sign. Click on it. And guys, it will take you to this place. Look at it. This is Opera Shake and Win program, and all you need to do is to click on continue. You have to select your country if it is your first time, then click on continue. And what you need to do here now, guys, you have to shake your phone. I'm shaking my phone now, and guys, as you can see, look at it. You found one puzzle piece of 8,000 cash voucher. That means after completing this voucher, I'm going to win 8,000. So after doing this, all you need to do is to click on save your progress, and by next time, after 4 minutes, after every 4 minutes, they'll allow you to shake your phone and win. It might continue with this one now, however they might give you another one. It may be phone or airtime, and after unboxing everything here, then you will win it. If you can see, find the remaining 5 pieces to win. If you can see it up there. So that is how simple it is. If you click the box up there, I'm talking about this one, then you see the products and that is what you are eligible for. Look at it now. Here I'm eligible for Techno Spark 90, 1,000 naira Airtel airtime, 1,000 naira cash voucher, 1,000 naira MTN airtime, 10,000 naira cash voucher, 16,000 naira. You can see there are very plenty. Look at this, is the last one I did and it is in progress. You understand? And you can check others here. Look at this. This is 1,000 naira airtime. I have to open 6 pieces, and after that I'll win 1,000 naira airtime. So that is how simple it is. And if you click on one here, I've not won anything here yet. After that, look at it now. All you need to do is to click on save your progress, and they'll ask you for your phone number. So this is my phone number. I have to enter my password and confirm. After that, click on my passwords are not the same. Click on agree. So they'll send me an SMS to verify. Yeah. So after verifying the SMS, I will come back in the next 4 minutes. As you can see, this is the SMS 353428. Just click on next, and it is verifying the code already. You see it now. So I have logged in the next 4 minutes. I'll come here and continue with it, and at the end of everything, they are going to unbox all this one for me, which is 8,000 naira voucher cash. This is cash. You can withdraw it. They'll send it to your OPay. You know, Opera Mini is connected to OPay. They'll send it to your OPay directly. And if it is airtime, they'll give you your airtime instantly so that you can load it. And if it is phone you win, then they'll give you your phone. As you can see here, I'm eligible for Spark 90. You can see it now. And to claim my prize, I have to unbox just these 6 boxes, and at the end of everything they are going to give me. So this is how simple it is to make money, win airtime, or even winning a phone on Opera Mini. And if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing, turn on the notification button, and share my video. Thanks for watching.